Hi everyone, welcome to week 8. For week 8, you're going to be focused on the discussion board for this week. For the discussion board for this week, you want to focus on the requirements. The requirements in the discussion board is you need an initial post, which is 3 to 4 paragraphs, 2 peer responses, which can be to any of the questions that I post, or to any of your peers, but they need to be at least 1 paragraph in length. You also need to make sure to have an APA formatted in-text citation and reference to support your work. And also you want to make sure that you really look at the question and probably use subheadings. Because when you use subheadings, it'll make you clearly identify the questions and make sure that you're addressing each part of the question. But for this week, we're going to be looking at the role of economic growth in the foreign exchange market. When we look at foreign exchange markets, there's a lot of challenges we're facing. You'll notice that the foreign exchange market is going to be looking at how rates are fluctuating and the difference between spot transaction and forward transactions. A spot transaction is a transaction that we look at a market today if we're trying to exchange currency. Whereas a forward market is going to be looking at prices in the future and how we make adjustments on prices in the future. Foreign exchange has a lot of influence over exporters and importers. They have to influence how the direction of prices will influence future movements. So you're going to look at this week in the role of the Fed. And the role of the Fed is very important. Because what type of support does the Fed need to ensure there's stability in currency? And now, is this one of the main goals of the Fed? So these are some of the topics that you're going to bring up when looking at the Fed. If you need me to pre-grade your work, please let me know, but I look forward to your effort this week.